smart decision. But when you start like coming up with like extensive strategies, and it's taking up your personal time, it's in your personal time, like that's showing signs that you're like you're taking it, you're deep, you're in deep in gambling. Like if you're reading books and watching several YouTube videos on how to beat the casino, you are probably you're probably on the brink of addiction. I will say that for sure, because it's taking up too much of your time. You're very involved. Anytime, gambling should be fun. It should be something that's fun. It should be light. And, it's just like going to the mall and going to buy something. You buy it, you wear it, and that's it. You leave it right where it's at. But a lot of people with issues, gambling issues, don't see it that way. Let's see here. What is the most heartbreaking gambling addiction story you encounter while working at the casino? That's a hard question to answer. I would have to say the guy gambling away his kids' money for Christmas. That was heartbreaking. It don't get no worse than that. Oh no, wait, you know what? No. I know somebody that go to the casino that I used to go to all the time. They were a friend of a cousin of mine who goes to the casino a lot. This particular lady had a family member that died while she was at the casino playing. And she ended up, when she found out, I don't know who the person was to her, but it was a relative. And she should have been at the hospital or by their side, but instead she was at the casino. And she never lived it down. I think it was like her brother or something like that. I can't remember. But it was pretty bad. It was pretty bad. That was rough. Let me go to the next question. How do casinos target and market to individuals who may be prone to gambling addiction? I would say giving people free play. That's how you're baiting them in. You're giving them money, potentially. Free play, to bait them in. That's easy. Or you could say giveaways. Like, they'll have like contests where they're giving away a car. They're giving away money. They're having random drawings every 10 minutes or every half hour. That's going to get people in, and that's going to get people playing because they think, oh, I might win. I might have a chance at winning a car. I might have a chance at winning a slot tournament. I might have a chance at winning a blackjack tournament. Tournaments are really, really big. They bring, especially slot tournaments, they draw a huge crowd. And also card giveaways. Like when there's a card giveaway, the casino is packed. Okay? Even concerts, that's another way. It's so many different ways, to be honest. What advice would you give to someone who thinks they might have a gambling problem? If you need to first assess your finances and assess, like, are you spending money that you really should not be spending? If you are hurt or feel some type of way about the money that you are spending gambling, if it makes you nervous, if it makes you stressed, if it makes you angry, that means you probably have a gambling problem. That's the telltale sign. If you are taking money that needs to be put towards a bill or something else, or you feel angry after you lose that money, that's a telltale sign you have a gambling problem. And that's a telltale sign that you need to take a break. You need to take a break. You need to step away. Okay? Let's see. How do online gambling platforms compare to physical casinos in terms of addiction risk? How do online gambling platforms compare to physical? You know what? That's a hard question. I think, I've never really delved deeply into online gambling. So it's gonna be a difficult question for me to ask, but I'm gonna answer that question to the best of my ability. Let me see. Is the chat on in here? Welcome to the live chat. Remember to guard your privacy.